How to search YouTube videos by date. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can simply search YouTube videos by date. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you're gonna do is follow these simple steps. So open up your YouTube application on your mobile phone devices. This is kind of a screen or page that is going to appear. Afterward, search for any video you want to search. So I'm going to search football videos. Afterwards, the search bar or would show some result. Hence, now you can see it includes videos for 22 hours ago, 1 hour ago, to 8 months ago, and 2 weeks ago. So they're not in a date form, complete time by time ascending order. So what I'm going to do is to put them into date. For example, I need videos that were uploaded today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and tap on the three bar option that is at the right top corner of the screen. Once I do that, a new dialog box has appeared in which I'm going to go and tap on the filters option. So this is a kind of a dialog box that has appeared up. So I'm going to go and look for the upload date. That is the third option. So once I go there, I'll tap on today or whenever I want videos from. It includes the options like last hour, today, this week, this month, this year. So I would select the today one. Once I do that and I apply on the filter, now I will eventually get all the videos that were uploaded today, as we can see this. So this is how you do it. This is how you filter out YouTube videos by date. I hope this video was informative. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Till next time.